Hi everybody, this is Mike. In this video we're going to learn the sound of the vowel U in Spanish. Hola a todos, soy Mike. En este video vamos a aprender el sonido de la vocal U en español. In Spanish we have 5 different vowel sounds. We have 1 different vowel sounds for each one of the vowels. So we have 1 sound for A, 1 for E, 1 for I, 1 for O, and 1 for U. U, I mean. And whereas in English we have 12 different sounds depending on words and stuff. So in this video we're going to learn how to make the U sound for the U vowel in Spanish, of course. And it's pretty much easy. It's like when we say food, F-O-O-D, food, but shorter. That U sound, a little bit shorter. U, 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 that's the sound. It's pretty close to the O word, the O sound, but the shape of the mouth, the ring we make with the lips is way smaller. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's the sound. Remember, just as food. Ooh. And I have a list of words for you to practice and, of course, learn vocabulary. So let's check the list. So we have this list of 48 words in Spanish using different combinations of the vowel U in Spanish, U. The sound is different. Here we're gonna mix the vowel U with consonants at the beginning of the word. And we have B-U, bu, bu, bucear, to dive, bueno, good, burro, donkey. Let's move to C-U, cu, cu, cuidar, to care or to look after, cuñado, brother-in-law, cuenta, account. Now we have du, do, do, durar, to last, duro, hard, ducha, shower. Fu, fu, sounds funny. Fumar, to smoke. Fundido, molten. Furia, rage. Gu, 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 gu. Gustar, to like. I have here gustar de because to like really translates as gustar de. Let's say if I say I like oranges, we usually translate that in Spanish as me gustan las manzanas. It's not quite the literal translation. But the literal translation would be I like, yo gusto de apples, manzanas. Yo gusto de manzanas, me gustan las manzanas. Thing is that in Spanish we don't say, it's more natural to say me gustan instead of saying gusto de. So, gu, gustar, to like, gusano, worm, guapo, handsome. Hu, remember H in Spanish is mute, so we have U. Huir, to flee or to escape. Humo, smoke. Huraño, aloof. Ju, who. Jugar, to play. Jurado, jury. Jugoso, juicy. Lu, lucir, to wear. Lujoso, luxurious. Luna, moon. Mu, multar, to fine. Mujer, woman. Mugriento, filthy or grimy. Nu, nutrir, to nourish. Nudo, knot. Nuevo, new. Pulir, to polish. Puntilla, nail. Puro, pure. RU, remember, the beginning of the word R sounds strong as a rolling tongue R. Rrr. rugir, to roar. Rudo, tough. Ruido, noise. Sumar, to add. Sutil, subtle. Suerte, luck. Tumbar, tumbar, to overthrow or to tumble. Tubería, pipeline. Tupido, thick or bushy. Remember, can be pronounced as bu or vu, doesn't make a difference. Bu or vu, vulnerar, to infringe. Vuelo, flight. Vulgar, vulgar. And we have zumbar, to buzz. Sumo, juice or squash. And zurdo, left-handed. So we have learned 48 words in Spanish. We have practiced the sound of the vowel U combined with different consonants at the beginning of the word. And so we have improved our vocabulary and hopefully our skills with the sounds of Spanish. Okay, so remember, now you need to practice. That's basically it. Practice and practice. Try to mirror the sound the best you can, and repeat this process as many times as you need in order to improve the pronunciation of the vowel, and also with the different combinations, and also to learn vocabulary, to build vocabulary. If you have doubts, please leave a comment. I'll reply as soon as possible. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Please share with your friends in your groups and social media. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It's going to keep you posted about the new videos that we have releasing every week. And also it's going to support our channel. You can also become a member. Just click on the join button and you'll get information about the memberships. Remember that learning Spanish is not difficult. It can be a little bit complex, but it's not difficult. It's not impossible. It's just a matter of practice. And I'm trying to bring resources useful for you in order to achieve that goal and improve your skills. So, and help you with the learning process. So, remember, it's a matter of practice, discipline. Looking forward to seeing you in more videos. Sigan estudiando, sigan practicando y nos vemos en un próximo video. Bye bye.